Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup DynamoDB tables using AWS Data Pipeline. Detailed guide step by step clearly. Start by logging into your AWS Management Console. Navigate to the AWS Data Pipeline service. Click on Create New Pipeline. In the pipeline configuration options, enter a unique name for your pipeline. Choose Build using a template. Select the template for DynamoDB backup from the available options. Specify the input and output locations for your backup data. For the input, choose the DynamoDB table you wish to backup. For the output, select an S3 bucket where the backup files will be stored. Set the schedule for your backup process under the Schedule section. Define the frequency of the backups according to your needs. In the Pipeline Log section, specify a location for logging pipeline activities. Review the configuration settings you have entered. Once verified, click on Activate. Your data pipeline will now be created and will begin the backup process as per the defined schedule. Monitor your pipeline status in the Data Pipeline dashboard. Check the specified S3 bucket to ensure the backup data is being stored as expected. If any issues arise during the backup process, refer to the logs for troubleshooting. Adjust settings as necessary to refine your backup process. Regularly check your backups to ensure data integrity and availability. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.